is a part of our everyday lives. Wonderful surprises right before your very eyes. Say hibernation, evaporation, gravity, and metamorphosis. Hibernation is the way some animals keep warm all day. In the cold winter months, like the bear in a cave, birds fly south and that's called migration. Hibernation, migration. Frogs are in the mud and they sleep all day, and squirrels gather nuts in the autumn days so they can stay warm in the winter ways. When they do, then that's called hibernation. Say hibernation, evaporation, gravity, and metamorphosis. Evaporation happens fast. It starts like a puddle, but it doesn't last. The sun comes out and it heats to steam, but you can't see what seems to be evaporation. Evaporation, evaporation. Say hibernation, evaporation, gravity, and metamorphosis. Gravity is a special force. It holds everything very close to the earth, just like a magnet pulling down to the ground. And what goes up must come down. Must come down. Say hibernation, evaporation, gravity, and metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is coming soon for the caterpillar and his cocoon. He changes to a butterfly. I don't know, do you know why it happens? Metamorphosis, say hibernation, evaporation, gravity, and metamorphosis.
Be ready, it's more fun, more activities. Hey, science time, science time, oh it's science time. I like it, I love it, I love my teacher too. I love my teacher.
ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿತು. ಇವರ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರಿ ರಾಮನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬೆಳಕಿನ ತರಂಗಾಂತರದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ರಾಮನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಯಲ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯ ಫೆಲೋ ಸಿ.ವಿ. ರಾಮನ್. ಇವರ ತಂದೆ ಗಣಿತ ಮತ್ತು ಭೌತಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಸಿ.ವಿ. ರಾಮನ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ
This is how he discovered Raman effect. Sir C.V. Raman received Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930 for his discovery of Raman effect. He was the first Indian and Asian to receive any Nobel Prize at the moment.
ದಿನದಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಜೈ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ್.
Mars,
ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲೇ ಇವ್ರು ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಡ್ಡಿಶ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ವೈಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದು ತಾನೆ? ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಈಗ ರಾಮನ್ ಅವರು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್
all sides of surface touch on which it floats. Example, a ball rolls on a floor. My movement is bounce. Some object move up and down when they push or throw. This movement is bouncing. Example. My movement is slide. Object that have flat surface slide when pulled or pulled. Only a one side of the object touches the surface. With it slide on. It's called spinning. Example. The movement is turning. When an object changes back and pushed up, this movement is called turning. Example. Planet in the solar system. Mercury is made up of rocks. Mercury has no moon. Next, Venus. Venus is second planet from the sun. Venus is fourth planet in the solar system. Venus is bigger than Mercury. Venus is made up of rocks. Venus has no moon. Next, Earth is third planet from the sun. Earth 2 mile distance from the sun. Earth is made up of rocks. Earth has light. Earth has one moon. Next, this light I am playing with the rain. This suddenly I put down. This was under the rain. That is ghost. That is ghost.
Yes, Shavardhan. What happened? So, this is not a ghost. This is a magnet. Hey Dhanush, what is capable of producing magnet field around us and attracting unlike poles and repelling like poles? Yes.
Good morning and good afternoon everyone. Today I and my friend explaining about properties of light. Light travels in a straight line. Monisha, have you ever noticed the sun rays entering the room on a bright sunny morning? The light coming in the world. That we learn. Light travels in a straight line. Tiny object. Now, ball to me. I stop the ball. To stop the ball, I apply force on it. This force helps us to stop the moving object. I will explain about the force can change the direction of the moving object and Vishnu will hit the ball by the time. For hit the ball, the Vishnu applied force on it. Force on and now take atta. Take this atta and its shape is round. And I will press it and I can change the shape of its atta. For change the shape of this atta, I apply force on it. Now, force to smallest inside. It has smooth texture. It feels solid. Sand particles are the largest inside. It is light brown in a color. And the soil has rough surface and it is also non-sticky. My friend, this is dark brown in color. Its texture is smooth. My friend Rutika explained about gummy soil. This soil consists of sand, silt and clay particles and a loamy soil hold the right amount of water for plant growth. My friend Rashmita explained. Sandy soil. This soil mainly consists of sand particles. It has very little clay and silt particles and it is loosely packed with lot of space and it is least water holding capacity. Next, Varnika is telling about clay soil. It has very little sand and silt and clay particles are good.
It's not this in the head. I'll be here to
India. APJ Abdul Kalam. Is there also rocket man?
No, I did not see the different dustbins. Different dustbins are used to collect with. Green dustbin used to collect dry waste. Where I went to the banana peel. I want to put banana peel into wet waste box.
Okay, what is means wet waste?
Leftover food, debris, and kitchen waste such as food or vegetable peels are the example of properties of liquids. Shape. Do you know that liquids do not have shape? Can they flow from one place to another? Yes, they can. Liquids do not have a definite shape, but they take the shape of the container they are poured in. They can also flow from one place to another easily. Now we are going to perform the liquid waste activity. I have a spoonful of water. Yes, it is thicker than water. Thus we can say that honey is more viscous than water and flows slower. Have you all seen flowing water? Yes, right. The water flows faster or slower? Yes, faster. Why do they flow faster? Like that? The water has less viscous than honey. Thus we can say that water flows faster. Thus we can say that sugar is soluble in water. When we add oil in water, it not dissolve in water. Thus we can say that oil is not soluble in water. You all can see that the oil is floating on top of the water. Thank you. About force and gravity and properties of. Okay, let's see more about this. Now, my friend, Canadians are attracted to a magnet object is known as magnetic force. Do you know? Can you tell me? Yes, Keetana, I know. This happened because of gravity. Exactly, Ganika. It is correct. Ganika, what is meant by properties of magnet? The properties of magnets are magnet have two poles. South pole, right pole and unlike pole attract each other. Like poles repel each other. The gradient of the lava lamp is density. The dense liquid seeps and the lighter liquid flows because they have different denses. See, this is water and this is oil. This will never mix because the oil will go up because it is less dense and the water will come down because it is so much dense.
Internet have become our biggest source of entertainment in our everyday life. The theme of 2024 is Indigenous Technology of Viksit Bharat. Style ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಭಾರತ.
Owning his role in making missile like Agni and Prithvi for India. to explain about respiratory system. Hello Tanushree. Hi Ananya. Do you know about respiratory system? I don't know much about it. I have a doubt. Can you explain me?
Hi Ananya, what were you doing?
We were discussing about respiratory system. Do you know about it?
Yeah, I'll explain.
The respiratory system takes up oxygen from the air we breathe and expels the unwanted waste carbon dioxide. The main organ of the respiratory system is the lungs. Other respiratory organs include the nose, the trachea, and the breathing muscles, the diaphragm, and the intercostal muscles. Did you understand?
A dust particle that present in the air. Bronchioles is the smallest airways. Lungs are the inside chest protected by the ribcage and wrapped in the membranes of pallular. The lungs look like a sponge. Bronchus is the passage or airway in the lower respiratory part that conducts in air